Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CS Baba. In this session, we will discuss about how to troubleshoot DHCP server and how to troubleshoot DNS server. So guys, if you are first time viewer on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So let's start to troubleshoot the DHCP and DNS server. So before starting the session, I will going to give you some brief introduction about DHCP and brief introduction about DNS. So first, before we starting, we need to know about what is DHCP server and what is DNS server. A DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Control Protocol, which is very important to every infrastructure, even in home environment. If you are having a Wi-Fi, if you are having internet, it's DHCP is required. So why DHCP is required? Because if any client is going to connect to any network, any Wi-Fi connection, any infrastructure, any enterprise infrastructure, the device will automatically get the IP address that is called DNS server. Automatic get the IP, any device which is connected. The simple example, you can say any device which is connected to the our network is called DHCP. And DNS is a method. You also can DNS is a method of internet phone book. You can say internet is just complete the, if we are going to search anything on internet in like Google, anything, DNS is a phone book. DNS is to use to store all the information. That is called to troubleshoot DHCP server. Then we'll start DNS server. First method, the first step which we are going to follow, first we need to check the Wi-Fi connection and cable connection. If we are connected from Wi-Fi, we need to check the Wi-Fi connection, like check the Wi-Fi connection is okay or no. This is okay. So, and if we are connected via internet cable, so we need to check both of them like this, internet cable. So if we are connected is okay. And next step which we are going to follow, we need to open the network sharing center. Network sharing center shortcut, open to shortcut command window R key together and type lcpa.cpl. I will going to open network sharing center and press enter. Once you will press enter, you are getting the network interface. This is, and right click over the network sharing center and go to the properties. Once you will go to the properties, there will be option internet protocol version 4, that is TCP, transmission control protocol IP version 4. Go to the open the so guys, once you have opened the properties, you need to check, use the following. You need to type your DNS server IP address which is required to enter. If we are having any kind of issues in our network, so I already have inserted enter my my DNS IP address and press OK. And we will go for the next step. We will go for the next because our network sharing center is open and am I getting IP address or no? So window R key together and just press CMD and IPCONFIG. Just press enter. So I am getting the IP. So if I am not getting the IP, so I will show to you. If I am not getting the IP, then what will be the scenario? So next step which we are going to follow, open the command prompt. Its command prompt is already open. Window R key together, press CMD, command prompt is open. So what the next step we need to here release the IP and renew the IP. You need to press IPCONFIG renew and press enter. Once you will press enter, the window IP configuration is going on. So I will get the new IP address if there is any problem in our network. So, and now the next step, same next step, I will going to press release, 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 and press enter. So you will get, if sometime we are facing the IP conflict issues, same IP is if some of the admin is assigned the IP address, static IP address to other PC, and the same IP address that will be conflict. So that's the reason I will going to release and renew the IP address. So fourth step we are going to follow. We will going to jump our services page will be open, and we will check the DHCP status. And from here you need to press D. Once you will go to the DHCP server, right click over here and click to restart your DHCP server. So I will going to restart my DHCP server on client side. I am doing all the in client side. So my DHCP server is restarted. So now if still we are having the problem, I will going to jump on my domain controller. Go to the domain controller and press window R key together again and type services.msc and go to your and press DHCP and check the status. First you need to check the properties. Is it running? Yes, it's running. So now you need to go to open server manager. Once you will open server manager, go to the click to tools, go to DHCP, click to DHCP. Once DHCP page will be open, you need to check the release status. So this is my DHCP server in Windows Server. This is my local domain. So right click over here and expand the IPv4 version. So scope, you need to expand the scope and click to address pool. So check the address pool ranges. Okay, go to the address list. So these are the address which I am getting. These are all the IP address which I am getting in my DHCP server. So now I will again going to restart my DHCP server. Right click on your domain and go to the all tasks, click to restart. This is the another method to check that how to troubleshoot. This is the another method to troubleshoot your DHCP server. Click to restart. So now I am restarting my DHCP server. And you can also check sometime. I will also show to you sometime here right click on your domain and sometime this is not authorized. So now my server is authorized. So sometime you need to authorize to troubleshoot. Sometime we need to authorize the DHCP server. So now it's already working fine, and you expand your IPv4. Once you will expand your IPv4, go to scope, address release, and these all the IP address which a dynamic host. This all it's not any static IP. This is all my dynamic IP which I am getting. So my DHCP is working fine. There is no any issue. First and next step you are going to, you can check from ping. First go to your server and go to press window R key together and open command prompt and ping your server, ping your DHCP server 192.168.1.3. Press enter. So now I am also getting my IP address. So there is no any kind of issue on my DHCP server. So these are all the steps which I need to follow or to troubleshoot DHCP server, which is required which is required to troubleshoot in the DHCP server. So run as admin. So guys, if you are friendly with if you are friendly with a PowerShell or command prompt, open the command prompt as a administrator. This is my administrator command prompt, or you can open a PowerShell also. PowerShell. So open PowerShell, PowerShell. PowerShell. Open PowerShell. Right click, run as admin. Once it will be open, we will going to restart using command prompt. So restart, R-E-S-T-A-R-T. I will going to restart my DHCP server using command PowerShell. So and press and type service DHCP server and press enter. Once you will press enter, your DHCP server will be restarted. Press enter. So now you can check over here. Warning, the services is starting. So my services, all DHCP server is started. So if I wanted to stop my DHCP server, we need to type start like same. We need to start or stop service service DHCP server. If we wanted to stop, and same thing which we are going to, if we want to start start and press enter. So this is the process to troubleshoot. So I will going to now I will going to troubleshoot the DNS server. Now we will going to check how to troubleshoot DNS issue. And window R key together and press type CMD. Once you will type CMD, we need to open command prompt, CMD, open command prompt and type here IPCONFIG. I will going to flush my DNS. First method which we need to go flush our DNS. Flush FLUSH and press enter. So now I need to open command prompt as a administrator. Press and right click, run as admin and yes. And now I need to type IPCONFIG flush FLUSHDNS and press enter. So successfully I have flushed my DNS. Now the next step which we are going to follow, we need to go to window R key together, going to open network sharing center ncpa.cpl and press enter. Once you will press enter, go to right click on network, go to properties, go to IPv version 4 and click to properties. So now I am getting the DNS. So next step which we are going to follow, the next step. So now the next step which we are going to form in controller, go open server manager, go to tools, click to tools, open DNS, open the DNS and just right click on your DNS and check the DNS forward zone. This is my forward zone. Right click on your DNS, right click and go to the all tasks and click to restart. First method. Second method which we are going to follow, we need to restart our DNS server. Click to restart. So now I am attempt to restart my DNS server. So DNS server, go to properties, right click on DNS server, go to properties, check the interface. So if the interface is already selected, no need to change. If interface is not selected, you need to check all the interface IPv6 and IPv4. So friends, if you are still facing the issue in your DNS server, you need to check your NS lookup reverse DNS server. So press window key and type CMD and open command prompt as an administrator. Check your NS lookup zone NS look up and type your local domain qp.local and press enter. Once you will press, so here you are getting your reverse zone. So there is no any issues in your reverse zone. So guys, so if you are still having the issue, open your DNS server, go to tools, go to click to DNS. So guys, there is multiple issue can be generated in DNS server, DHCP server. We need to troubleshoot the issue. Again, you need to check the UDP, TCP, MAC-DOC. Check here, host QP log is static, is working fine. Check your go to properties, security zone is okay, host is okay still. And if you need to ping your CMD, ping your DNS server qp.local and press enter. So I'm still getting my IP and ping to your client server. Go to client server. So ping from your client side. Go to client side, ping qp.local and press enter. So client side is also getting the IP. So guys, so friends, this is the process to troubleshoot DHCP server and DNS server. So there is multiple kinds of issue can be generated in DNS and DHCP server. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.